यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें, गाड़ी संख्या 02823 प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 1 पर आ रही है।
सो पोस्ट लॉकडाउन दिस इज़ अवर फर्स्ट ट्रेन जर्नी। तो देखते हैं ये जर्नी कैसी रहती है।
Some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Fight with you, I would rather lie to you.
So this is the first trip post lockdown, and that too by train.
And we have reached Hizli railway station. From here we'll be boarding our train to Delhi, and from there we'll be going to many other places. Keep watching our videos to know where we are going.
Feels like I could break it.
So we'll be also sharing all the details and like what we have to follow, the rules and regulations for COVID, post-COVID via train, which we need to follow.
Also, the precautionary measures which we are following specifically.
So stay tuned. We'll be posting everything.
Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise.
So we have finally boarded the train. It's the Bhubaneswar New Delhi special, and it's around 2 p.m. and we are all set.
And while traveling in train, we have maintained some precautionary measures which are like basic, like wearing head cap, gloves, keeping a handy sanitizer.
It's a very good idea to keep a handy sanitizer with you. And when you open your gloves, always keep in mind that you are using a sanitizer.
In the time of pandemic, do not forget to disinfect the seat before you use it. So we are using a surface spray to disinfect the seat before using it.
Try to give you hints and a heart to right on the.
So we are going to have some food right now. So before we have some food, we are going to just sanitize our hand, and we'll have some cakes and juices.
And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time.
So as the railways are not offering bedrolls and everything, so we are carrying our own blankets, and also for a safety reasons we are also carrying some newspapers. So we'll be covering our seats before we sit on it and sleep on our beds. So that's for the current situation. So we have to take all these precautions.
Fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you.
দহি রাবড়িটা বললো গুলো টং করে ঘুরে গেল।
और थोड़ी देर ऊनो खेलने के बाद हमने डिनर किया एंड देन वी रिटायर टू आवर बर्ड्स।
Good morning everyone. We just crossed Ghaziabad. So it's 1st January 2021. Finally we left out the most grateful year 2020. It's a very happy new year to everyone. Or just wanted to inform as we are traveling by train and it's through this crisis period of this deadly virus, coronavirus. But still it's almost we have overcome a lot of time with this virus. But still to take some precautions, you should carry home foods and some packed foods and not taking foods from from the local trains and all. So better to carry your own food from your home. And also the train is very the whole compartment, this compartment is all ours. I don't know why it is, maybe because of 31st December and 1st January people are not traveling these 2 days. So it's pretty good for us and we traveled very nicely because the whole coop and everything is just for us. So it's good.
It's very cold. It's about 9 in the morning and temperature is around 6 to 8 degrees but feels like 3 or 4. I've taken this tea just to warm my hands. I don't know how much I will drink this tea but it's just to warm my hands. It's too chilly. It's too chilly. Almost time, we are about to reach Delhi, so a train journey is almost done. So just wanted to remind you guys few points which are basic while doing basic things to follow while doing a train journey during this pandemic. So first would be, don't forget to disinfect your seats first before keeping your things and all, and if possible carry newspapers and keep newspapers under your seat before you place your luggages there. Don't forget to disinfect the door latches and basin and the taps of washroom, possibly the hand shower and the flush button to try to carry your own food if possible.
Nasta.
If not, try to carry your own food with you, maybe homemade food or any packed food, because there is not much variety available now during the pandemic and also it won't be much safe. Try to use hand wash if possible because sanitizer doesn't properly clean your hands always, जैसे कि नाखून के अंदर it's not possible by sanitizer. So अगर आपको पानी मिलता है तो उसे अपना पानी को यूज़ कीजिए, अपना हाथ ज़रूर धोइए हैंड वॉश यूज़ करके, स्पेशली खाने से पहले अपना हाथ धो लीजिए. So since railways are not providing us with bedding and all because of this pandemic, so we have to carry own blankets, pillows, bedsheet, so that becomes more of luggage while you are traveling. So you want to travel light and you don't want to carry so many things, तो एक ब्लैंकेट ले लीजिए. और सीट बहुत ठंडा हो जाता है विंटर का टाइम में, तो आप ऑल्टरनेटिवली आप न्यूज़पेपर बिछा सकते हैं. न्यूज़पेपर बिछा दीजिए सीट पे, उसके ऊपर आप सो सकते हैं तो उतना ठंडा नहीं लगेगा. बट इंश्योर कि आप वो न्यूज़पेपर ट्रेन से उतरने से पहले आप वो न्यूज़पेपर डिस्पोज कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ट्रेन को भी क्लीन रखना ज़रूरी है, वो हमारी भी जिम्मेदारी होती है.
come from Hyderabad. She's waiting for us for like more than 2 hours.
And we'll be meeting her, and she will be with us for the entire trip from now.
Yeah.
So let's meet her.